Gears are key components in mechanical transmission systems, helping to transmit power and change speed. Common types include screw gears, helical gears, and worm gears. CNC machining offers high-precision gear parts like steel gear blanks, aluminum alloy gear discs, and copper alloy worm wheels. For special sizes, non-standard models, and custom shaft connections, CNC machining provides higher flexibility, ideal for rapid prototyping and small batch production. Welcome to Connect TiRapid.